everyone, Natalie here from Serpstat, and welcome back to our Serpstat series. But of course, before we go ahead and discuss our main topic for today, I just want to give you all a quick information about our lead generation tool over at Serpstat. So all you have to do, I'm just loading the page for Serpstat. All you have to do is head on over to serpstat.com and you'd find there on the landing page there's a free guide or an advertisement for a free guide showing you that will show you rather how Serpstat is helping agencies generate an additional $437 per month on autopilot. So if you're interested in knowing how that works, just leave your first name, email, and also subscribe to our Serpstat mailing list, and then click on this Find Out How button so that you can be guided on how Serpstat can benefit your business. So going back to our main topic for today, which is still of course about Serpstat. Previously we have left off on making or creating a new project for Serpstat.com, and today we'll be discussing how we can group these projects together so that we can better facilitate them, organize them of course, and just overall handle them better, I suppose. So as you can see here, there's a button for add or manage group, and that is what we will be discussing today. But before we go ahead and do that, if ever you're creating a new project, I have shown this on the previous video, although I haven't talked in depth about it. But if you're creating a new project, there's this option here to include that specific project that you're making into a project group. So for us, we have different groups there. So you can either add a new item, add a new group name, and then if you select one of these, then the new project that you have created will be placed in that group, so that when you check on the group that that particular group rather, then you would see a list of projects or whatever project you have inputted in there. So now that's done, let's go ahead and click on this add or manage group so that we can see how we'll be able to add a group, add a project rather, to or an already existing group. So create or select a group for this project. So you can either use the ones below. So all you have to do is just type in a name of a group. So you can either select a group that is already existing or create one that is yours. So for me, I'm just gonna go with SEO, and then click on Serpstat so that Serpstat will be added to the SEO group. Righty. So now that we have selected Serpstat, let's hit on save. Let's see what happens. So there we go. You can see here that the default group is right here, but then the one that we created is up here, so that if ever I'll be adding another domain here and then selecting the SEO group, then it should also appear on this section. So that is how you can create a group here in Serpstat. So it's pretty easy, just a few clicks. All you have to do is know specifically where you want that specific project to be, and you're done. So that's it for our video for today. Hopefully you found this helpful, and if you have any comments, of course, do leave them. Do leave any takeaways or any thoughts that you may have, and of course like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel here in Serpstat. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and see you again on the next video.